Hi everybody. Today we are going to be comparing numbers using three different symbols. We are going to be using the greater than symbol, less than symbol, and equals to symbol. Now some of you may not know what those symbols look like. So I'm going to show you real quick what they look like, and then we're going to go into a short video that helps to explain some things. So I have a symbol right here. If I start to draw this, I have this symbol right here. It kind of looks like a sideways V. That is our greater than symbol. I'm going to do the exact same thing, but I'm going to go opposite, and that is our less than symbol. And then our equal symbol we use in a lot of different things. We use it in any kind of math problem that we're doing, and it is two lines that go like this. That is our equals. A lot of us, when we are using our greater than, less than symbols, we like to think of those as alligators. It looks like they have a big old alligator mouth. So I'm going to draw some teeth on mine just to show you. Those little alligators have lots and lots of teeth. So I'm going to draw some teeth in to kind of help you with what we're going to be doing. When we are comparing numbers using these two symbols, we always want the alligator to eat the bigger number. So keep that in mind when we're doing this next activity. For now though, I'm going to show you a short video that kind of explains what a problem would look like, or what kinds of things we use greater than and less than for. So hang tight and I will go ahead and start that video.
There was an alligator living in the swamp, would sneak up on numbers and start to chomp. Whenever two numbers sat on the ground, she'd face the bigger one and gobble it down. When there are two numbers that are the same, the gator changes form and she swaps her name. Because she isn't sure exactly how to dine, she stands right in the middle as an equal sign. Number gators like to eat what's greater. They turn their backs on what is less. Their mouths open wide for the bigger side, and they munch down the whole great mess.
For more songs, games.
So that is our greater than, less than, in a really quick explanation. But I have a short activity that we can do too to kind of help you see how we can compare those numbers with greater than and less than. So I'm going to share my screen again one more time and kind of show you the different things that we can use these symbols with. And hopefully this will help you when you're comparing different numbers yourself. All right, so this says comparing numbers. Alligator, alligator, which one will you eat? The bigger one, the greater one will be so sweet. Remember in our video, it said that the alligator turns its back on the lesser number or the smaller number. So we always want the alligator to eat the bigger number. So we're going to do a couple different problems here, and we're going to see if we can figure out which one is the bigger number. So my first one I have here, I have the number 7 and the number 5. Some of you might already know what this is. Some of you already might know which is the bigger number, but a great mathematician will always double check. So different ways that I double check with mine is I make circles for the number. So I'm going to start up here, and I have to pick a color. I think I'm going to pick the color purple because that is my favorite one. So I'm going to, underneath my 7, I'm going to draw 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So now under my 5, you guessed it, I'm going to draw 5 different circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have to figure out which one has more. When I'm looking at these, I can cross off the number of circles, or something that you could do if you have a little bit more room, you can write the numbers inside the circles. I don't have enough room on mine, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cross them out. So I'm going to change my color to red when I cross out, and I'm going to say, okay, this one has 1, this one has 1, this one has 2, this one has 2, this one has 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and then I'm not going to cross anymore because I don't have any more left here to cross. If I have some circles left over, that tells me that this is the bigger number. So we can look and we can see that 7 is our bigger number. Remember, our alligators can get pretty hungry, so they want to eat what is greater than or what is more or a bigger number. So the symbol that we are going to use, we're going to take this alligator here and we are going to move it. Let's see if I can move it over. I'm going to move this alligator into this box because that shows me that this alligator is hungry and wants to eat that bigger number. All right, I'm going to go ahead and clear my screen, and we're going to go ahead and try another one. Now we have 3 and 5. So I am going to do my circles again, and I am going to put 3 circles here. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to put my 5 circles here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, time to cross them off. I've got 1 here, 1 here, 2, 2, 3, 3, and I don't have any more on here, but look, I've got some left over on here, which means this side, this number 5, is our bigger number or is greater than. And our 3 is less than. So the way that you would read this is 3 is less than 5. If 3 is less than 5, we do not want our alligator to eat our number 3. We want to give it more food and we want it to eat the bigger number. So we are going to take this alligator here and we are going to put it so that way it is eating that number 5. So again, it reads 3 is less than 5. When we had our other one, I'm going to switch back and show you our other one. When we had this one and our 7 was our bigger number, it reads 7 is greater than 5. Let's try one more. This one, as you can see, has 2 of the same number. This is the number 11 and this is the number 11. When we have 2 of the same number, we are going to put our equal sign in here. If you look, our equal sign kind of is a little hard to see, but what I showed you earlier is that our equal sign is 2 lines right in a row, one on top of the other. That is our equal sign. So our equals means the same. So if you see that there are 2 numbers that are the same, you are going to put that equals in there. So I hope this helped you with figuring out which number is greater than, which number is less than, and which number is equals to. So that way, when you're comparing numbers, you can write in those symbols and you can say those math problems just like we did here. Thank you guys so much.